A lot of engineers don't know about this tool I'm about to show you. So first, it's called GnaCAD for AutoCAD file editor. So you can edit, you can make adjustments, you can do a lot of things. You can use dimension tool on this app. So I'm going to open an existing job. I'll click on it and open it. So you can zoom in and zoom out. You understand? Then you can do a lot of things on this app. You can use you can create a line, like click on that plus button and select the line tool and click on where you want to put the line. Click here and that's it. Click on confirm here and that's it. 4.5 meter. So you can click on this to exit it, then click on this drop down arrow. If you want to, let's say, okay, you want to offset, you want to use the offset tool, you click on this pen icon to open these options. You click on where's the offsets, then you specify offset distance, say 3 meter. Click on it, then select it and click here. That's it. It's as simple as that. So let me teach you. First, I'm going to exit it now. First, to get this app, because you can't access it on Google Play, you have to open your browser. Go to your browser for GnaCAD. Click on it. Then the first site, you can see it. It says http gnacad.en.softtonic. Click on it. Then on this site you can download it for free. So since I already have it installed on my phone, there's no need for me to download it again. So when you download it, it will be installed on your phone. Then I'm going to exit it. Then once it's installed, open it and tap on, okay, let me close this one now. Tap on this file to load your DWG or DXF file. So you can navigate to where you have your AutoCAD documents. There's AutoCAD files. So navigate to it on your phone. But me, I already have some jobs open, so there's no need for me to. I'll just go back. So this is the interface. Here's the interface. You can zoom like I'm doing now. Zoom out, zoom out, pan to right, pan left. Just with your finger you can do whatever it is. Upbeat using 2 fingers, you can do whatever it is. You got everything from line, polyline, circle, like here you have line, polyline, circle, you have your arc, you have your arch too, ellipse, spline, rectangle, test, everything, just like the regular AutoCAD on your system. So you can snap to endpoints. You can do virtually everything on this app, absolutely free. No annoying ads like other tools, say DWG fast view. That one is full of ads and you have limited access to some tools on it. But here, all the tools here are free of charge. I tell you, I promise you, you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. So once you're done with the editing, so you click on these 3 dots here. You click on share and export. You can either save as, you have different file formats, and you can save as DWG 2013, 2010, 204. So just like that. And if it is in DSF, you can still as well do that. So, and even if you want to export as PDF, you have it here. You click on print. Start clicking on print, that's it. So basically that's just it, just on-site tool, you know, on-site tool is very, very handy, and it's good. It's absolutely good and amazing. So if you're tired of waiting to get back to your system, start using GnaCAD today. So if you find this this tutorial, this information, if you find it helpful, please do well to click on the subscribe button and share this with any engineer or designer you know. Thank you.